What's up, everyone? It's Shahryar. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ethical hacking, comparing two powerhouse tools, Kali Linux and Termux. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your cybersecurity journey, you know the landscape is different on a desktop versus mobile. That's where our contenders come in. Kali Linux, the industry standard for desktop hacking, and Termux, bringing the power to your Android device. We'll break down each platform's strengths and weaknesses, exploring their history, features, and what makes them unique. Think of it like a head-to-head spec comparison, but for hacking tools. We're talking pre-installed tools, customization options, package management, and how they handle in real-world scenarios. By the end of this video, you'll know which platform is right for you. Whether you're launching a full-scale penetration test from your laptop or need a mobile toolkit for on-the-go vulnerability assessments, let's get started. First up, let's talk about Kali Linux. This isn't just some niche operating system, it's the gold standard in penetration testing and ethical hacking. Born from the ashes of Backtrack, Kali has a rich history, evolving over the years with the dedication of offensive security. We're talking about a Debian-based Linux distribution, specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It's not your everyday OS. It's purpose-built for security professionals and researchers. What sets Kali apart? First off, it comes preloaded with a massive arsenal of tools. We're talking hundreds of utilities for everything from reconnaissance to exploitation, wireless attacks, and reverse engineering. But it's not just about quantity. Kali emphasizes quality. These are industry-standard tools, regularly updated, ensuring you're equipped with the latest exploits and techniques. And the best part? Kali is incredibly customizable. You can tweak and configure it to your heart's content, building a personalized hacking environment that fits your workflow. Whether you're running it as a full-blown operating system or spinning it up in a virtual machine, Kali Linux provides a stable and powerful platform for all your ethical hacking endeavors. Let's get our hands dirty and explore what makes Kali Linux so special. This operating system is a powerhouse for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. First off, the user interface. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Kali typically runs on GNOME, but you've got options like KDE and XFCE. This flexibility allows users to choose the environment that best suits their workflow. It's all about that familiar desktop environment, making navigation a breeze. You can easily switch between tasks and manage your workspace efficiently, but the real magic happens in the terminal. This is where Kali Linux truly shines. Kali's command line interface is where you'll unleash its true power. From running complex scripts to managing network security tasks, the terminal is your best friend. And don't worry if you're not a command line guru. Kali's got your back. The interface is designed to be approachable for beginners while still offering depth for advanced users. The package management system, APT, makes installing, updating, and managing those hundreds of hacking tools incredibly easy. You can keep your system up to date with just a few commands. Need a specific tool for a network scan? Kali has you covered. A simple apt-get install, and you're good to go. The process is straightforward and efficient. Kali also boasts a vibrant and active community. This is one of its greatest strengths. Having trouble with a tool or need advice on a specific attack vector? The community is there to support you. The Kali forums and online communities are filled with experienced users ready to help. You can find answers to your questions and share your own insights. But Kali isn't just about pre-installed tools. It's a platform for learning and experimentation. You can push the boundaries of what's possible. You can install additional software, write your own scripts, and truly make Kali your own. The possibilities are endless, and let's not forget the power of customization. Tailor the system to fit your needs perfectly. From tweaking the kernel to installing custom scripts and themes, you have full control over your environment. Kali allows you to create a truly personalized hacking environment tailored to your specific needs. This level of customization is unmatched. Whether you're a seasoned penetration tester or just starting your ethical hacking journey, Kali Linux is designed to grow with you. Kali Linux provides an unparalleled platform for learning, exploring, and mastering the art of cybersecurity. Dive in and discover what you can achieve with this powerful tool. Chapter 3. Termux, Hacking from Your Pocket. Now let's shift gears and talk about Termux. This isn't your average mobile app. It's a terminal emulator and Linux environment that transforms your Android device into a portable hacking powerhouse. Imagine having the power of a full-fledged Linux distribution right on your phone or tablet. That's the beauty of Termux. No need for rooting, no complex setups, just pure hacking power at your fingertips. Termux utilizes the Android terminal emulator, providing a familiar command line interface for Linux enthusiasts. But don't let that fool you. Termux is packed with features that rival its desktop counterparts. One of Termux's standout features is its package management system. Using APT, just like Kali Linux, you can install a vast library of Linux packages directly on your Android device. We're talking about everything from essential utilities like SSH and Python to powerful hacking tools like Nmap, Metasploit, and even Hydra. Termux opens up a world of possibilities for mobile penetration testing and security assessments. And the best part? Termux is incredibly lightweight. It won't hog your device's resources, allowing you to run even demanding hacking tools without a hitch. Chapter 4. Termux Unleashed, Mobile Hacking on the Go. Let's dive deeper into what makes Termux such a game changer for mobile hacking. First off, its versatility. Termux is not just another app, it's a full-fledged Linux environment right in your pocket. Termux isn't limited to just pre-packaged tools. You have the freedom to install a wide range of software packages. You can install programming languages like Python, Ruby, and even C++, turning your phone into a mobile development environment. Imagine having the power to code, compile, and run applications, all from your smartphone. Need to write a quick script to automate a task or test a vulnerability? Termux has got you covered. Its flexibility allows you to adapt to various hacking scenarios. And with access to libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrapey, you can perform web scraping and data analysis right from your phone. This makes it incredibly useful for gathering information on the go. But Termux's true power lies in its portability. Imagine performing a security audit on a network, not from a bulky laptop, but discreetly using your phone. Termux makes it possible. You can be anywhere and still have the tools you need. With tools like Nmap for network scanning, Wireshark for packet analysis, and even Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities, Termux equips you with a comprehensive toolkit for on-the-go ethical hacking. It's like carrying a mini hacking lab in your pocket. And let's not forget the convenience factor. Termux seamlessly integrates with your Android device. You can access files, share data, and even use the touchscreen for certain tasks, making it a joy to use. The user-friendly interface ensures that you can focus on your work without any hassle. Whether you're a security professional, a student, or just a tech enthusiast, Termux empowers you to explore the world of ethical hacking from anywhere, at any time. It's a revolutionary tool that brings the power of a computer to your mobile device. So, get ready to unleash the full potential of your smartphone with Termux. Chapter 5. The Verdict, Kali versus Termux. Which one wins? Alright, it's time for the showdown. Let's dive deep into the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms. Kali Linux versus Termux. Which one reigns supreme? This is a question that many in the cybersecurity community often debate. Well, it's not that simple. Each has its own unique advantages and potential drawbacks. Both platforms bring their A-game, but they cater to different needs and workflows. Understanding these differences is key to making the right choice. Kali Linux is the undisputed king of desktop ethical hacking. It's a powerhouse designed for serious tasks. Its comprehensive toolkit, customization options, and active community make it the go-to choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts. The level of support and resources available is unparalleled. If you're running penetration tests, security audits, or diving deep into advanced hacking techniques, Kali Linux provides the stability, power, and resources you need. It's built for those who demand the best. Termux, on the other hand, is all about portability and convenience. It's a different beast altogether. It brings the power of Linux and ethical hacking tools to your Android device, making it perfect for on-the-go assessments, learning, and experimentation. Imagine having a mini hacking lab in your pocket. If you're new to ethical hacking, want to explore mobile security, or need a discrete toolkit for quick assessments, Termux is an excellent choice. It's user-friendly and highly accessible. Ultimately, the best tool for you depends on your specific needs, experience level, and the type of hacking you're interested in. It's all about finding the right fit for your workflow. Think of it like this. Kali Linux is your high-performance gaming rig, while Termux is your trusty gaming laptop. Both have their place and purpose. Both deliver amazing experiences, but they excel in different areas. It's about leveraging their strengths to meet your goals. So, whether you choose the desktop dominance of Kali Linux or the mobile flexibility of Termux, you're in for an exciting journey into the world of ethical hacking. Embrace the tool that best suits your adventure. Outro Hacking Evolved. Your journey starts now. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of Kali Linux and Termux. We've explored their origins, dissected their features, and seen how they stack up in the ring. Remember, the best tool isn't about which one is better, but which one best fits your hacking style and goals. Now I want to hear from you. Are you Team Kali or Team Termux? Drop a comment below and let me know which platform you prefer and why. Your insights might just help out a fellow hacker on their journey. And as always, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep on hacking.